Microsoft has made its Office 365 home subscription more appealing by upping the number of users who can make use of the subscription, while also massively increasing the number of devices Office 365 can be installed on at once. Office 365 Home is a subscription service costing $99.99, £79.99, 129 Australian dollars per year, and includes the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher and Access Office apps. Each user also got 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage space, and 60 Skype minutes each month for ringing landlines around the world. Previously 5 users were able to use the same subscription, but the new model allows for 6 users to share a subscription, while retaining the 1 terabyte per user OneDrive allowance and 60 Skype minutes a month for no extra cost.